saw you from across the room.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing 5 different DIYs with candlesticks and wooden decor. I am so excited for this one. Shyla from Hobknobin, she owns her own Etsy shop. She actually has 2 of them, and she sent these over to me for free, and I was so excited to receive these. Her shipping is super fast, and she has really good quality pieces that I was super happy about. Everything that I did is like so cute. It's probably one of my favorite things I have made thus far, and they're so simple and easy to do. Everything took me about 2 days to do total. Just coming with ideas always kind of takes me like a half a day or so. Anyways, you guys, I will leave her link in the description box below so you guys want to check them out. The only thing that I did not use for this video is the wooden beads that she sent. She sells these in like a 20 and 40 and plus sew on pack. I love these, but I have a different DIY, different video that I want to use these for, so that is why I did not use these. But these are so awesome. I'm like so excited about wooden beads. I've never really had like actual wooden beads before, so I don't know. It's the little things. So anyways, 5 different Farmhouse DIYs. These are also good for a 3-tier tray, and that is what I did for a lot of these that actually fit. I put them in a 3-tier tray, or my 3-tier tray. I haven't done a decorating video on a 3-tier tray in a very long time. This one still is not a decorating video, but I do show you how I display everything. So let's get going. So this is everything that was sent to me, all the wood pieces. I absolutely love everything. I love the different size candlesticks and the candle holders that were sent to me. I love this larger one. I think it is so pretty. But right now we are just going to start out with the 2 larger candlesticks. So these ones I had an idea for. I was like, I'm just gonna paint these black, and I am doing like a cute farmhouse stand. I'm not like one to use like long candlesticks, so I just love using pieces like this to make like decor. So obviously I'm not gonna stick like a wax candle in the top and burn it. It's just not really what I like to do, but these are definitely for crafting. These came from Dollar Tree, and all I'm gonna do is rip these apart. It's rip the centers out, and then I just pop the backs off. And then I just took some sandpaper and sanded this down just a little bit, just because some of the paper did not come off. And then I'm just going back in with my black paint. This is by Apple Barrel. It's just a jet black paint. I had very little left, and then I end up using black paint by Arteza. It's like a Mars black, and I love their paint because it just works so well and covers so nice. Now I'm just going to go in with some scrapbook paper in Mod Podge. This scrapbook paper came from Hobby Lobby. I'm almost out, so I'm kind of sad about that. I might have to see if I can find a good deal online for a bunch of scrapbook paper. So you guys know where I can get like some like shiplap type. Let me know in the comments below. I'm just using some leftover, like I said, I had used Mod Podge, and then I'm going to be using this vinyl from Arteza as well. It's white, and I found these really gorgeous, like super stinky cute little cow and chicken decals. So I bought these off of the Silhouette Studio. These are just some of my favorites that I have ever found, and I love the white vinyl. I've never used white vinyl or had it, so this was super exciting to me. And I'm just making these very similar to each other because this is kind of like the decor I have in my house. Lots of farm animals and black and white, and I just love that they go with everything. And then now I'm just gluing everything back together how it looked to begin with, and I'm just going to pop these right back in the frames. And the way I popped these back in, they stayed. I didn't even have to use glue or anything. I think the scrapbook paper was a little bit larger than the squares, so that worked perfect. Once everything was put back together, I just took my hot glue gun and put some hot glue around the top of the candlestick and then glued these little squares together. This was so simple and so easy to make. These are so adorable, and if you guys don't have a Cricut or a Silhouette machine, you can definitely get like free printables off of Pinterest and just Mod Podge some cute little free printables right to the center of these. I think that would look just as adorable as these. Right now I have my Silhouette. I like to use it because I have vinyl right now rather than free printables because I'm running out of printer ink, and printer ink is expensive, like so expensive. You might as well just go buy a new printer than buy printer ink, because that's what I normally do. But anyways, this is what they look like when they are all done, and I absolutely love these. I love these. These have to be one of my favorite things I've made. And next I'm using the 2 small candle holders, and then I'm just painting these black once again. And this kind of has a theme because I wanted something for my 3-tier tray. I have not redone my 3-tier tray in so long. I kind of like throw things in there, stick things in there, but it doesn't all really go together. So I just wanted some new additions to that. And once everything was painted black, I just hot glued the 2 together. I just glued the 2 tops together. And how cute is that already? I did have to go back in a little bit and redo some areas. This little piece of wood came from the Dollar Tree, and I've already painted it and decided to do something else with it. So I am just painting it black. You guys are going to see this theme. It's a nice little black and white affair, or what is it, a black and white tie party, black and white wedding, who knows. That's definitely not what this is, so I don't even know where I was going with that. This little decal, this says Farm Sweet Farm. I thought this was super cute as well, and I'm just going to make a little candle stand with this. Candlesticks with a little piece of wood, candle stand. I think this is cute. You can put a plant on this. You can put a candle on this. You can put a little terracotta pot, which is what I did. Actually, it's not a terracotta pot, but I put a little floral decor piece bucket from Dollar General, when it just has a little succulent in it, and I think this is so cute. I love these pieces together. How cute are these? I love them. Next is rolling pins. These are my favorite. If I could have 2,000 of these in my house, I would, because they're so cute and so little, and you can just do so many different things with these and add so many cute decals to these or paint them different ways. I went in with the Waverly chalk paint in white, and then this is the Arteza and the Mars black, and I am just painting the handles of these black on all 3 of them. I wanted them to look very similar because, like I said, I want them in the 3-tier tray, so I want everything to look similar. Now I'm just using these little vinyl decals. You've seen me use all of these so many times, and I promise you, you guys, I have something fun coming soon for you that I've decided on. I'm not going to say what it is yet, just because it's still in the works, but I got a surprise coming for everybody, and I'm really excited. Yeah, I love these little oinks and moos and pigs and cows, I guess is what they're called. Not oinks and moos, but it says oink and moo, and that's why I said that. So that I have a reasoning. That's what they look like when they're all done. How cute. It'd be cute with little ribbons or bows. I don't have anything like that right now. So I just kind of went with something original and something simple, and I love these so much, and I think they turned out so stinking cute. Like I said, a tray, a 3-tier tray, anything. This bigger one, I love this one. It has to be my favorite one I received, and I don't know why. I just love the shape. I think the shape is so cool. And I kind of kept this one pretty basic. I painted this white in the Waverly chalk paint in white. And then I just went in like with a fresh milk, farm fresh milk, all natural vinyl decal. And I just peeled this off. And this is actually all I did with it. I was thinking about adding the little cow spots to this as well. I called them moo-moo spots in a different video, and I don't think I will ever live that up ever in my entire life. But I just kept it simple, left it like this. I think I might add the little moo-moo splats on it. I'm not sure, but I love the way this turned out, and it's a little bit bigger than my tray, but I fit it. And these are the second to smallest. That's what you want to call it, second to smallest candlesticks. I just love these. I love anything wood, especially because when you paint it, it dries so easy. Using these 2 terracotta pots, I'm almost a 99.9% positive these were from Dollar Tree, and I've used these at a different DIY, and I didn't love it, so I just wanted to redo them. This is the moss green color from Waverly chalk paint, and I am just going to glue the terracotta pots to the tops of these candlesticks. And then I am just going to be dry brushing with the Waverly chalk paint in white. I just love this effect. I love the way it looks. It's so simple and so easy. And it just kind of always just gives it a little bit of extra something. And I love this way this looks. And you guys, like I said, you're going to know that I'm using my silhouette a lot more lately. And I totally understand that some people might be getting frustrated. But like I said, it's just what I have right now to use. If you guys didn't know, I am from Michigan. And now our state is not opening up till June 12th. June 12th. So I will be home for a few more months. So I'm just working with what I have or what companies have sent me in the past or stuff like that. So that is, yeah, you can buy it online. So anything I can buy online, I'm 100% for. But this is what it looks like when it's all done. I love these. These are so stinking cute. I think these might have to be like my second favorite. I don't know. I love everything about these little candlesticks, candle holders. They are adorable. But you guys, that's it for the video. This is what my 3-tier tray looks like for now. I will be doing another video on my 3-tier tray, decorating it exactly the way I want it. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to check out Hobknobin on Etsy. I will leave that link in the description box below as well, so you guys can check out these super cute items. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!